Okay, so today we are going to be doing lava eruption. And it's also known as volcano eruption. It says it right here. And I have all the ingredients. Some baking soda, some dish soap, some white vinegar, and some apple cider vinegar. And you're going to need your volcano base, your tube, and your measuring cup thing. It goes with the this. So I have to get it out. And you also need this black rock, this white rock, and this yellowish tan rock. And let's get started. So first, you are going to put these aside. All your ingredients aside. Now we start. You put your tube right here, and you are just going to take some white
vinegar.
White vinegar, and you're gonna twist it off. And you're just going, I have to wait for my mom to get the cups. And you can also take your apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is really good for salads and stuff. So now we are going to put them in the cups. First, you're going to take your white vinegar and pour it in the cup. That's probably enough. And then you pour. You're going to pour that in. See if it's in. It is in. And you're going to take your apple cider vinegar and pour it in the cup. If you want it to make a big eruption, you have to put a lot. I'm going to take this off. It's going to make it. And also, it makes that little bubble, if you can see. I'll show you after the video. And now you're going to take your dish soap and put it in your purple cup. You can also see some of my else videos. They make a lot of progress. Like that jelly bean one. When my sister did it, she was like, gross. That was super funny. And now you're going to pour your soap in. See how it's making it filler? I think I'm going to show you after the video also. There's too much stuff that I can't say. Okay. You're gonna put two cups of your baking soda. And see how it's rising? Oh, you'll see it. You put a lot, like 2.5 or so. See how it's rising? And this is your volcano eruption. If you want, you can put a little bit more. Well, you can't really. Whoa, look at that. It erupted so easily. Now I'm going to pull it back a little more. If you want, you can do this at home. Wait for the eruption to slow. You can add a little bit more. Just like this much or so. Makes it fizz a lot. This stuff makes it fizz. Bye! See you next time on Pikachu Rap.